Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are unboxing and trying Khadlaj Cream Velvet. The name already makes it sound like smooth sweetness in a bottle. Let's see what it's all about. Okay. All right, look at that. So Khadlaj always gives their fragrances a rich presentation, and Cream Velvet is no exception. So the box feels classy. The bottle itself has a soft elegance that matches its name perfectly. Look at that. Very nice heavy metal cap. Okay, so now for the notes, that's right. So on the top, we have butter and caramel. In the middle, honey, jasmine, and tonka bean. And in the base, amber, vanilla, and musk. So just from those notes, this sounds like a dessert. Creamy layers of sweetness with just enough floral warmth to make it balanced. Okay, and let's get to the first impression. Pressurized atomizer. Okay, let's go for the smell. All right. So right away you get that buttery caramel sweetness. And some florals, like the jasmine, some creamy jasmine. So the honey blends in beautifully, and the jasmine keeps it from being too heavy. Then as it's drying down, that vanilla amber base starts giving it a smooth, soft finish. And that is what it feels like. It really does feel like velvet on the skin, rich but wearable. All right, you guys. So that's my first impression on Khadlaj Cream Velvet. If you enjoy sweet, creamy gourmands that still feel sophisticated, this one you'll want to try. I'll give it a more full wearings and share a detailed review soon. But for now, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay fresh, stay fragrant.